Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to lock your album on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to lock your album or gallery on your Android phone, then I will show you a simple method how to do this. For this, you have to download one application. Just open your Play Store, tap on this search button, then download app lock. You can see here first option app lock pro. Tap on that, then tap to install. After that, just tap to open. Create a password. First, you can see here 6-digit pin. You have to just tap on that, then tap on 4-digit pin. Because whenever you unlock, it requires only 4-digit pin to unlock it. And tap on OK. Create a 4-digit pin. So I will tap as 1122. Just tap on create. Again, I have to confirm the password again 1122. Just tap on save. You have to just allow the permissions. Here you will find app lock pro. Tap on that, just enable this option. After that, second option, detect launched app. Tap on permit, then tap on enable, then tap on OK, tap on permit, and tap on allow. Here you have to just tap on this locked. Just unlock all this except gallery. After that, just unlock this. Just go to the unlock. Here you will find album. Just tap on this lock icon. Then it will be moved to the lock section. Now whenever you try to open your gallery, it will ask for password. That's it guys. So in this way you can lock your album on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.